Hi, welcome to Lady Landlane.
Wow, look how tall our tower is, Lily! We built it together, Benny! Hooray for teamwork! Uh-oh, sometimes accidents happen, even when we don't mean for them to. And it's okay to feel sad or disappointed when they do. Hey, Lily, are you okay? You seem a little sad. I am, Benny. Thanks for being here. I'm really sorry, Lily. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Will you forgive me? Don't worry, Lily. We can build it again together. Okay, Benny. Thank you. Wow, we did it, Lily! It's so tall, Benny. Teamwork is fun. We did it, Lily! We make a great team, Benny. Remember to always be kind and help your friends. Goodbye.